Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the crucial DDR4 ECC UDIMM, a 16GB stick of RAM clocked at 3200 MHz. This isn't your average memory module. It's ECC, or Error Correcting Code, RAM, which is a big deal for those who prioritize data integrity. Now, who is this RAM for? Primarily, it's aimed at users with compatible desktops or servers where data accuracy is paramount. Think workstations running critical applications, small business servers, or even home labs where you're experimenting with virtualization or data storage. ECC RAM helps prevent crashes and data corruption by detecting and correcting single-bit errors that can occur during operation. The crucial module itself is a 1RX8 configuration, meaning it's a single-rank module with 8 memory chips on one side. This can impact performance slightly compared to dual-rank modules in some systems, but it also tends to be more compatible with a wider range of motherboards. Installation is straightforward, just like any other DDR4 DMM. Make sure your motherboard supports ECC UDIMMs, as not all do. Consult your motherboard manual before purchasing. Once installed, the system should recognize the new RAM automatically. You might need to enable ECC functionality in your BIOS settings, so again, refer to your motherboard manual for specific instructions. In terms of performance, the 3200 MHz speed provides a noticeable boost compared to slower RAM, especially in memory-intensive tasks. Applications load faster, multitasking becomes smoother, and overall system responsiveness improves. The real benefit here is the added layer of data protection that ECC provides. It's not something you'll necessarily feel in everyday use, but it's working in the background to ensure the stability and reliability of your system. Crucial is a well-known and respected brand in the memory market, and this DDR4 ECC UDIMM lives up to their reputation. The module feels well-built and the specifications are as advertised. If you need ECC memory for your desktop or server, this crucial offering is definitely worth considering. It offers a good balance of performance, reliability, and price.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.